Here's the latest on xtalks.com. If you've ever seen any Jaws movies, you know not to mess with the great white shark. New research suggests that there is more reason to be in awe of these predators. Their DNA makes them resilient to diseases like cancer. Hello, I'm Candace Tang, life sciences journalist and webinar moderator for xtalks.com, and welcome to this edition of Xtalks Vitals. Our featured webinar for this episode is Reconfirming the Group A Strep Diagnostic Algorithm with Molecular Confirmation. Click the link in the description below to register for this free webinar, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner of this video so that you can always stay up to date on the latest Xtalks Vitals episodes. Comparative genomics helps to identify similarities and differences between organisms that go beyond their appearances and behavior. Nearly 20 years ago, we found out we share about 60% of our genes with the fruit fly. So what might we find in common with nature's deadliest sea creature? A collaborative research team found that the great white shark's genome was 1.5 times bigger than the human genome, comprising long stretches of repeated DNA. They also noted key mutations in DNA that are related to rapid wound healing, genomic stability, and DNA repair. This meant that the great white's genome had a higher tolerance for damage that would normally lead to diseases like cancer in humans. This sounds counterintuitive since cancer risk is correlated to body size and lifespan. In other words, more sequences of repeated DNA increase the chances of mutations, and mutations accumulate over time. These findings suggest that the great white's DNA might have evolved and adapted to become resilient to DNA damage. Scientists can potentially use this knowledge to prevent and treat cancer and other age-related diseases in humans. This research tells us that there's more to great white sharks than meets the eye. It might help people appreciate that great whites are intelligent and highly sophisticated animals, and that they are in need of our help to conserve their population. Subscribe to the Xtalks YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below, and visit xtalks.com for more information on this story and our featured life science webinar for this episode, Reconfirming the Group A Strep Diagnostic Algorithm with Molecular Confirmation. Click the link in the description below to register for this free webinar.